Hi everyone, this is Tanner here with another practical tip to help you become leather savvy. Today I want to talk about the markings on the leather. You might have seen some leather products that has some markings, imperfections on it, and you may be curious why is it there. In my perspective, that's the authentication stamp of your leather craft, being a good quality leather to start with. As you can imagine, leather is coming from a living, breathing animal and it is exposed to life. The cow goes through bushes, it goes through sicknesses, illnesses, different weather conditions, the rain, the diseases. So all those things leave a mark on animals' skin. And that's what we see in the finished product. And if you see that, it means your leather is a full grain anneal and minimally finished product, it's not corrected. So that proves that it's a good clean leather to start with, because not all the leathers can be made that way. Probably like top 5% of the leathers are clean enough to go with that type of finish, and there's minimum imperfections to embrace in the finished product. That's why Tannery made that choice. So if you see those little tick marks, scratches, fire brandings, or the neck veins, that's actually the quality stamp that will assure you just got a good leather craft. I love to see those things. I embrace that authentic look of the leather because it makes each piece unique. Nobody else will have the exact same item that you just had. And I recommend be comfortable and trust in those markings and embrace that memories of life coming from the animal itself. I hope this helps you understand the leather a little better next time you're shopping for leather goods. Thanks for watching.